Hi, this is David at MASH IT. Today we're doing a boxing of a new mechanical keyboard. Now I've been looking for a small mechanical keyboard for a while now. Because I bought a 10 keyless and it was alright, it's still quite large, so I thought, right, okay, I'm going to go for a 16% mini. And I love the size of the 60% mini, but I hated the fact there was no cursor keys. I didn't understand how much I used cursor keys until I got that keyboard, especially as I do a lot of development. So here we have the Ducky Miya Pro. I think this is a 65% keyboard. So let's take a look. What's this in the box? So just opening up the box, got the keyboard, and I have a caps lock key for some reason. I'll have a look at that in a minute. Bit of gumph, nothing important there. So let's open this box. And get into it. That's well packaged. Trying to demo jet to get into it. There we go. And finally, let's have a look. One keycap puller. A USB to USB-C cable, a USB to USB-C converter, key protector on the keyboard, probably use that from transporting it, and then the keyboard itself. Now what I liked about this when I saw this on overclockers is the fact I love the key colour. It looks quite retro, but I probably will end up buying some keycaps myself for it. So it's got nice grey keys with a dark grey command keys, and obviously the blue spacebar, enter and escape key. Now I bought this in the Cheery MX Red switches because this is going to be predominantly used for gaming. If I'm typing, I will normally use a blue switch. So my main production machine, I do have a blue mechanical keyboard, but this is just for my sort of portable gaming rig. So I wanted something with a nice, fast, responsive switch. So that does look really nice. So there we go. So the keys themselves. So it looks like the caps lock key they've also supplied has a little number light in it, which lights up. So I'm guessing you can choose whether you want it to light up, or if you want one that you don't really care if it shows up this caps lock or not, you just leave the blank on there. Now this is a backlit keyboard, but it doesn't look like it shines through the keycaps, but I probably will replace the keycaps sooner or later. On the back we've got the feet lifted up, just one adjustment there, not the double like you get on some keyboard, gives it a nice angle. And then other than that, we've got the USB-C port where the keyboard plugs in, and that is really about it. So I'm going to leave that there for the moment, and what I'm going to do is plug it into my PC or laptop, and we're going to have a look at the lighting. Right, so we're now plugged into our computer. We're all set up, ready to go. So let's just dim the actual lights in here so we can see the backlight. So here we go. This is with backlight on with a solid colour. You can see that the keys, the actual light does not shine through the keys. Now in this room with this, it's quite dim, I can see the keys perfectly, I can see the caps perfectly, but if you were in a pitch black room I'm sure you'd really struggle. I probably, as I say, I will replace these with some shine through keycaps at a later date, but for the moment this is absolutely perfect. So this is, I think, full, so let's just have a quick look. So if you press the function key and up arrow, you can see we're on full backlight, and down arrow reduces the backlight. Okay, and then I'm going to press function and right arrow, and it switches it to breathing mode. And from within breathing mode, you can press function and up arrow, and it speeds up the breathing or slows it down with the function down arrow. And there you have it, just pure white backlight, so very basic. But again, I wasn't really wanting the RGB, just the backlight would be nice. And in all fairness, I probably will rarely even be looking at the keys with the sort of use on this keyboard for me. So this is absolutely perfect for what I was after. So that's the end of this video. If you liked this video and you want to see further content on this keyboard and many other mechanical keyboards that I've got, please click the subscribe button and the notification, and you will be notified of further videos. Thank you for watching.